Hey guys.
Welcome to our channel.
Hey guys.
These are our top 10 quarantine questions.
Thanks, Blue Wave. Hey, I'm Mark.
I'm Carrie. Welcome to our channel, The Art of Rving.
Yes, and if you are not a subscriber, become a subscriber. Join us on Instagram.
Hit the like button.
Patreon.
Okay, so we were challenged by Blue Wave Odyssey to answer the top 10 RV quarantine questions.
Say that 10 times fast.
So here we go.
Okay, number 1. How many rolls of toilet paper do you have?
Okay, so don't judge me. I counted, and we actually have 70 rolls of toilet paper. I usually shop at Sam's anyway, even before all this, so we had like 9 rolls from that. You are distracting me. Then I ordered some on Amazon.
My toilet paper's falling down.
Like a big case. And then I was at Sam's another day and found a case. So it's a lot. We'll use them.
Nobody cares.
Okay, so question number 2 is the biggest adjustment.
Yes, and so my biggest adjustment is I lost a lot of work because all the schools are out. And right into springtime, right when we get into spring pictures for the schools. So I got 2 schools jerked out from underneath me.
Mine would probably be grocery shopping.
And shopping.
And shopping in general. It's become painfully obvious how much I like to shop because I can't do it.
No.
Also, grocery shopping, you don't really know if you're gonna get what you need. That is hard for me. I want to know that I'm gonna get everything on my list.
She's a planner.
But yeah, that's been an adjustment. You know, I've learned to roll with the flow and just whatever.
Better than she used to.
Oh yeah. Question number. Let me start. Okay, question number 3 is where we parked now.
Yes, and we're fortunate because we can park our RV in our house.
In our house?
Well,
in the driveway.
We can park in the driveway.
Yeah, we're home. We're not full timers, so.
And unfortunately, it has to stay covered the entire time. So, which is kind of cool when we go camping because we uncover it and it looks brand new because we don't look at it every day.
That's true. Yeah.
But I've really been missing the camper.
That's another question.
Oh, okay.
Okay, question number 4 is what have we gone without?
Yes, and that's a tough one for me. I mean, because I really don't want anything, but
I guess this is kind of the same thing. We've gone without church, and we really miss it. We've done church online. It's just not the same, you know.
And we watch it on TV, and
yeah, and we go to a really like small, laid-back church, and
right.
we miss it. We're missing out on that.
Yeah. So we miss church.
Okay, question number 5. What are we most grateful for?
Yes.
I think I'm most grateful to be able to put things in perspective. This has really shown a lot of different sides of things, and along those same lines.
And I agree totally with her. What was the question?
What are most grateful? You said have stayed healthy.
Yes. So I think what I'm most grateful for is the perspective this has given me, and because you know things have been taken away, and then we've kind of gone back to the basics, you know, and it's given me a perspective on what's important. Man, there's some people out there that have some serious issues, and you know, looking at those lives and looking back at mine, you know, I mean, really what? You know, so it's really given me perspective. So it's pretty cool.
And also that we both stayed healthy.
Yeah.
Our family has stayed healthy. We have elderly parents. They've still stayed healthy.
Yeah.
So that's definitely grateful for that.
Yep.
Okay, number 6 is what do we miss the most?
Yes, and by far, everyone's answer is
camping.
Camping, of course. We made a commitment to go once a month, and we got into a really cool rhythm.
We did. We haven't been able to go March or April. Hopefully May. We'll see. We're still booked, but we'll see. We miss it a lot.
And there's pressure on us because in Texas, June, July, and August.
Because we went June, July, and August last year.
Okay, that's stupid.
Okay, number 7 is when and where did we go camping last?
Yes. And I have no idea. Hot Springs.
glad we did.
Me too. We would have never gone. I mean,
I'm done. I said it. That's all.
Hot Springs was awesome. I'm glad we went.
Okay, number 8 is quarantine food.
Yes, quarantine food.
I've been cooking a lot more.
And she always cooks. She's a great cook.
Yeah, but I've been cooking more. You have to admit.
I guess she cooks every day for me. I mean, every day.
We have had a lot of fish tacos.
And we love fish tacos.
But it seems like I can always find tilapia.
Yeah.
I may not be able to find chicken or ground beef or whatever, but we can always find tilapia. So fish tacos.
Yeah, fish tacos rock. So that's been the go-to food.
Probably at least twice a week.
Yum.
Question number 9 is quarantine exercise.
Yep. I have a full gym in my shed, Olympic free weights. So I'm continuing to pump iron. And I get some cardio too, so that's how I do it.
And I've continued to do Pilates. My sweet Pilates instructor has done Zoom classes. And so twice a week, I've still been doing that, which has been awesome. Just such a sanity saver, for sure.
How convenient.
Yeah, it's really nice. Okay, number 10 is our own little question we threw in. We want to know if you guys are binge watching any television shows or movies and what they are.
That'd be fun. I like to learn from others what they're watching.
So we have just restarted Psych, the whole series.
Amazon Prime.
Yeah.
We love that. It's funny.
And we watch Cops constantly.
Yeah, Lot PD now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We watch it, at least daily.
And it's bad for me to watch Psych because I act just like that guy in there. So.
And so finally, we'd like to challenge a couple other channels to... So finally, we'd like to challenge a couple other channels to do this challenge.
Quarantine challenge question.
What are you poking me? Sunset Seekers, Christy and Michael.
Son, we love you, man.
Check them out. Do the challenge. RV on the Wayside. Jody and Donovan.
Love you, man.
And Northwoods RV.
Love you too, man.
Corey and Lori.
Alright, bro, that's it.
If y'all have already done it, no worries. If you don't want to do it, no worries. But we just thought it'd be fun to call you guys out.
Yeah, it is fun.
Hope y'all enjoyed.
And remember, be prepared, be aware, not scared. Rock on.